Good morning students. In previous class we have studied about syntax and syntax errors in Python language. Today we will continue it. Syntax is the structure of an instruction in a computer language, and the errors or mistakes in the source code is known as syntax error. These errors are also known as bugs. When we are writing a Python program, we have to remember some points, and they are: in Python language, the white spaces, that is the space before starting a line or typing a paragraph of text of a source code, is important. Python is a case sensitive language, that is lowercase and uppercase letters of alphabets have different values. For example, small letter x and capital letter X are two different variables in Python. Python accepts single, double and triple quotes to denote strings, that is letters, but we have to use same type of quotes at the start and end of the string. If there is more than one line, the triple quotes are used to specify the gap between the lines. Always statements in Python end with a new line, so it does not allow the use of the line continuation character, that is backslash, to denote the line should continue. User can use semicolon to enter multiple statements in single line, and it indicates that neither statement starts a new code block. Now we will study about print statement in Python language. In Python, the print function is used to get or display the output and debug the code. Print is a built-in function in Python. This function is used to display the specified message or value on the screen. This message can be a string or any other object. It outputs an entire line and then goes to next line for subsequent outputs. If the user wants to print more than one item on a single line, they can use comma to separate the statements. The expressions or constants or variables should be written within brackets and use punctuations. And its syntax is print in brackets expression, constant or variable. For example, print welcome to Python language. In Python's interactive interpreter is called Python shell. Next we will study about commands. Commands contain essential information or notes which will help the another program reader to get information about the source code. The purpose of adding commands with the program is to make the source code more easier for humans to understand. In Python, use the hash symbol to write a single line command. Anything written after the hash tag in a line is not executed by the interpreter. That means the commands will not make any effect on the program. Usually commands appear on a line or at the end of a line. For example, print 25 into 11 hash multiplication operator. When the Python will run, the output will display as
275 only.
This is the end of this chapter. You have to read the chapter carefully. Thank you.